bottomly from Sweden. Today we are going to the depths of hell of CS Premiere because I'm logged into my dad's account. And my dad's name now is Peter Parker, so I'm undercover because today I'm playing in 1000 Elo. If you don't know, 1000 CS rating is quite literally the lowest you can have. Even if I queue now and lose, my rank will still be 1000. I've never been this low rank, so shout out my dad, because without him I wouldn't be able to record this video because I've never been this low rank. And today we're just gonna see what the hell goes on in the absolute lowest ranks in CS. But before we see the worst of Premiere, I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is CS Money. CS Money is a trusted trading site and marketplace where you can quickly trade for a brand new loadout in just a couple of seconds. They have reduced prices in the trade mode and a huge selection of filters for their over 1 million skins listed that have instant delivery. They've got many payment methods like cards, PayPal, crypto, and much more, and you can always trade your skins if you can't deposit. Their market mode also has a feature with lower prices and discounts, as well as an instant sell feature where they recently increased prices on user skins so you can insta sell them and receive more cash to spend on skins or cash out. So make sure you try out CS Money from the link in the description, and thank you CS Money for sponsoring. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so I'm just alone. I'm just gonna queue alone and we're gonna see what happens. By the way, it's 5:50 a.m. on a Wednesday, so we're quite literally gonna see the absolute worst of the worst when it comes to CS. Oh god, Swedish server. Okay, what the hell? Okay, literally almost no one has connected. You see, loss -0. It's the lowest rank. I can't even lose Elo. B. Do people usually call in this Elo? What? Ah! This is an insane smoke to have in 1000 Elo. Oh no. Oh no. By the way, anyone mad at me for smurfing? Bro, I've always wanted to see the lowest ranks. And technically, I mean, it's my dad's account and I have the same DNA as him. So technically, it's kind of my account.
My name is Cristiano Messi.
What? My name is Cristiano Messi. He jumped down and got bitch slapped. He just flashed himself. 1000 Elo flash. Bro. No. Oh my fucking god! No, how do I hit this in 1000 Elo? I have to be quiet. It's 6 a.m. My dad's sleeping next to me, bro. We're all just huddling over here. Hello. Ah! What the fuck is happening? Holy shit! Bro, are you okay? Bro!
Oh, sexy.
Okay, that was a pretty good first game. A guy in our team writes easy with ISI. Thank you for a game, guys. Sorry. I just hit him, he just looked up into the sky 1 frame. That was fucking crazy. What is happening? Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck is this crosshair? Oh my god. Blue, help me, Blue. He's blocking him as well. He's blocking him as well. This purple is about to have a fucking panic attack, I swear. Oh. Hello. No way. We're playing Train on 1k Elo. I don't play Train. I don't know is map. Already it's looking good. At least our teammates are talkative. Guys, what country you are from?
Ник русский, что доебался от меня?
Ты говорит английский.
Sorry.
Как тебя зовут?
Misha.
Oh, hello, Misha.
Hello, Peter.
Hello, Peter. He thinks my name is Peter Parker. What? Oh my god, there's like a migrant camp in there. Wow, it's like a refugee camp. You saw there's just 3 blokes huddling in a corner. Hello. Bro, why the fuck you want to kick me? D-Love. Fuck you, D-Love. Okay, how about that? don't vote kickings. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Ha ha! Purple, fuck you, Purple! Ha ha! You are son of the dogs. Oh. What? No way! I didn't even kill him! Fuck! Okay, well, I guess I'll be back in 30 minutes. What did you say?
I found an account. I can rent it for $2. It says CS rating 1000.
On a Russian website.
Yeah.
You can rent a 1000 Elo account
Yeah,
for
yeah,
$2.
$2 for 8 hours.
Your cooldown has expired.
I don't hear how I sound like because I've got in-ear monitors.
Oh, do you want to know what you sound like?
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm Hikes! Oh my god, I love boys!
That's not what I... Okay.
That's what you sound like.
Why is your name Ruslan Shitfuck?
No, Ruslan Kakatyebat.
It's not just shitfuck. It's Ruslan to shit to fuck.
Wait, your name is Pro Hoover. That's your mom.
Okay, please stop. What should I expect?
Why is our team insta-banning Mirage and Dust, bro?
Bro, listen. Should I expect, like, people with no hands? How bad is it gonna be?
Yeah.
How do they play the fucking game? How's it possible?
Helen Keller has better Elo than this, bro. Look, loss -0. Do you see?
-0? Look,
Yeah.
wait, so it's the lowest rating. You cannot get lower than this,
no,
right?
1000 is the lowest. You can't
This
get...
is typically like silver 0.
Literally.
Yeah, look here. Where's the last one?
I don't know.
Afk.
No way.
Is it really?
You're boosting your Ruslan Kakatyebat.
Take it, money and knife.
Take it, money and... What?
He's alive.
What? Do you see how he moves? Did you see how he moves?
Yeah, he goes like...
What the fuck? Below. What country you from, bro?
Lithuania, bro.
Oh, do you friend me, please?
Do you want me friend?
Yes, I friend you want, please.
I friend your mother.
I don't have mother.
Oh.
MP5. He doesn't know. He doesn't literally. He's incapable of understanding. How is this knife so black? Why is it so black? Why is it so
He
black?
doesn't understand why he can't move.
Yeah. Franz J moment. Franz J moment. Franz J moment. Robo team highlights. I'm running away. Whatever happens next is left to the team. Please stop.
How is that legal? What is your name?
My name is my name.
Most educated Lithuanian person.
Oh my god! I was just next to a man who got... oh my god! Ah, everyone around me is dying!
That was something, yeah.
There's only one guy in the enemy team that has a rank. I've noticed, why is everyone in low rank Russian?
What are you trying to say?
Ideal woman. You are a woman? Oh.
Where? Who?
Blue, you are a woman? We're all smelling her.
Oh, you're a woman? You're a woman?
Woman?
Please show penis.
Блю, скажи что-нибудь.
Блять, нет, нахуй.
Oh, I don't think that's a woman.
Please show penis.
Green, why is this guy blue in our team trolling? Do you know?
No, he's woman. That's why, bro.
But boy, woman, no TT, show.
I don't know.
Ideal woman, fuck you. Vote kick him, Hikes. Vote kick him.
0 for F1, everyone. F1. No way. No fucking way.
Why did they all vote kick him?
Ruslan, please
Где?
stop.
Sorry. Hikes.
Yes.
We just had a major in Austin recently in USA.
Yes.
When are we having PGL Chelyabinsk?
Please.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he was loud.
ESL Murmansk.
Star Ladder, Magnitogorsk.
What? Is that a real city?
Yes.
Green, are you a racist?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Least racist CS player.
What racist mean? I don't know. What? Race? Car?
What? You are racist, bro.
I'm not race car.
They're right here.
What the? Oh, no! You shot me! And by fucking reflex, I shot him. Competitive cooldown, 2 hours. Thank you, Hikes, for playing with me in the 1000 Elo.
No problem, Ludwig. Thanks for inviting me. Promote my channel.
No, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Guys, what country you are from?
I'm from Russia.
Oh, nice. Where our last player, bro?
Mirage.
You are gay?
No.
Yes.
I'm lesbian.
What? What Russian Mickey Mouse? What the fuck? Oi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! I team kill. Haha. Oh no. No! How the fuck did it bounce back? How the fuck did it bounce back? Dude, that wasn't even on purpose. Ah, yes, 24 hours. Well, that was the 1000 Elo experience. I'm sorry, Papa, for fucking your whole account's trust factor, by the way. 1000 Elo, man, that's crazy. Whoop him. So you're 15?
Yes.
Are you single?
Oh my fuck.